Koko is mean high school. In here we use the kanji takai to make the compound noun with the another kanji, and in here we have the kanji of koko, the same, right? The first kanji, the red kanji, is mean takai, is mean expensive, tall, right? So and the second kanji is also mean ko, but this kanji mean the school is from the gakko. No, it's from the gakko, right? Gakko, we also use the second kanji. So the second kanji is mean school, and the first kanji is mean high or tall, right? Or high level, or tall, or is mean expensive, but in this case we use about the tall or the high level. So when we put the ko the ko with another kanji is mean school, so we can say like high school. This means the school that in the high level, not low level. So in this case we can make like ko mean high school. For example, in here we have the example like 大学より高校の方が楽しかったです。大学より高校の方が楽しかったです。Which means high school was more fun for me than the university. 大学 is mean university, and 高校 is mean the